South African Weather Service earlier forecast suggests extremely cold, wet and windy weather conditions in most parts of the city of Johannesburg.
Kuyeleliswe abantu ngamakhaza abuye ngokutsha bona bazifuthumeze kodwa nabatsheje imbawula nama-2 plate abazifuthumeza ngawo.
How are you doing? Are you well? No.
You have a neck brace. Can you tell me what is specific?
ACDF at the front, laminectomy, and the foreign.
Ubuyesele akhokha ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle umsolwa ekuthiwa wabaleka nemali engangemali yakwa-Eskom. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele Lotshani emakhaya. Izangoma zezulu ziyelelisa abantu bonyana nangabe bowukhohliswe emtshiso wamalangana adlulile kola wabeka injasi zakho ngekasini zikhuphe uzithindithe ngomana abuyile amakhaza kwamalangana. Bayelelisana laba abazifuthumeza ngembawula nama-2 plate bona batsheje bayelele.
Izakhamuzi zaKwaZulu Natal ziyeleliswa ngobujamo obumbi bezulu obuphekelelwa yiGabhogo engathinda nemfundo eziningi zelizweli ukusuka namhlanje ukuya ngepelaveke. Isigaba sesithandathu esikhutshwe liziko lobujamo bezulu sitshengisa ukuthi iGabhogo lingalindeleka emaphakathini wesifundesi. Abatshayeli abakhamba nge-N3 nabo bayeleliswa ukuthi batsheje bayelele khulukhulu ngesikhathi sokuthoma kwama-holiday wesikolo nje njengombana esele kubikwe ingozi ezimbalwa endleleni. Umnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela uyelelise abantu abakhe magega nendawo eziphasi ezibanjwa zingikhukhula lula ukuthi bayelele nabeqa amabhlorho njengobana kulindeleke izulu elinamandla eliphekelelwa lilothe nje ngepelaveke le. Isangoma sezulu sethu lapha kwa-SABC uMduduzi Mthembu uhlathulula ngalokho esingakulindela nokuthi liza kuvula nini.
Ngithokoze ngilotshise nasemakhaya phindile isimo esisibonayo namhlanje eNingizimu Afrika sihambisana namakhaza esingasempumalanga nezwe sibanga isimo esibizwa nge-cut-off low pressure system emaphakathi nezwe ikakhulukazi endaweni eziphakeme kodwa ke ngasogwini oseningizimu ikhona nje i-high pressure system eletha amakhaza nomoya nomswakama endaweni ezingasempumalanga isifundazwe engabala kuzona impumalanga iLimpopo iKwaZulu Natal isifundazwe Eastern Cape nase-Free State nalapha eGauteng ngembukelile abandi izulu kulezo indawo kanti imvula ingalindeleke imvula engathanda ukuba namandla izulu elikhulu esifundazweni Eastern Cape KwaZulu Natal nasempumalanga kanti ke endaweni eziningi lezi imfundazwe ingalindeleka neGabhogo ikakhulukazi endaweni eziphakeme esifundazweni Eastern Cape nakomakhelwane bethu Lesotho endaweni ezisempumalanga nesifundazwe Free State kanti ke ngokuhla ebusuku namhlanje le Gabhogo lingalindeleka endaweni ezingaseningizimu nesifundazwe impumalanga engabala kuzona iEmelo iStandardini iSekhunda ukwehlela phansi kumaGauteng uze ufike endaweni ezingasemkhondo empumalanga nesifundazwe sasempumalanga kanti kwezinye indawo lizothi nje sisika ngamafu line nezulu mbukele esifundazweni Limpopo empumalanga KwaZulu Natal nasesifundazweni Eastern Cape amathuba athanda ukwanda ke esifundazweni esingasempumalanga neFree State kanti lapha eGauteng amathuba nje angaba u-60%. Lesimo sezulu singalindeleka ke namhlanje ebusuku nakusasa lizoqhubeka libande endaweni eziningi kakhulukazi eBelfast esifundazweni impumalanga naseMiddelburg lizobe libanda ke kusasa kodwa ke masiqhubeka nempela sonto lesimo sezulu sizoba sihle liphenya izulu kakhulukazi endaweni ezimaphakathi nezwe kanti ke ngesonto ayikho mbukela imvula engalindeleka lizobalela lifudumale kulezi zindawo kodwa ke ngaphambi kwesonto ngomgqibelo imvula ingalindeleka kanti namakhaza asengalindeleka esifundazweni impumalanga ikakhulukazi endaweni eziphakeme nangaseningizimu nalesifundazwe KwaZulu Natal khona lizobe linamafu impela sonto yonke nemvula ingalindeleka esifundazweni Eastern Cape yize endaweni ezingasentshonalanga azokuba lihle impela sonto yonke. Lesi simo silindelekile ke ngalesikhathi sonyaka njengoba wazi ukuthi siphuma kwisizini ye-winter singene esizini ye-spring kodwa ke ngenxa yokushintsha kwesimo sezulu ungalindeleka ukuthi amakhaza abe khona ngalesikhathi sonyaka kodwa lesimo lesi esikusona njengamanje isimo sokugcina kulonyaka lo kusho ukuthi ke kusukela manje siyaphambili singalindela nje ukuthi isimo sezulu sifudumale kube yileso simo esijwayelekile sifudumele ikakhulukazi ngalesi sikhathi sonyaka. Ngizobamba lapho umhlahlo wezulu emakhaya. Ngiyabonga.
Lithwiliswele umhla ka-27 icala lomsolwa ekuthiwa wabaleka nemali engangemali kwa-Eskom uMichael Lomas. uLomas uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata weCaptain Park eMpumalanga Johannesburg khabe asebenza ka-Eskom begodu ubefunwa malungana nobukirikitshani nobukhohlakali bemali balelwa ku-1.5 billion yamaranda obenzeka phakathi kwaka-2008 no-2018 ekusile Power Station.
Kewabotshwa phambilini wachathululwa ngebhayili kwaba kubaleka kwakhe elizweni lekhethu elaqalisa inyawo e-UK. Wabotshwa eLondon ngo-2021 nangohobo yewanonyaka nakuza kuphumelelisa isibawo sokuthi abuyise elizweni lekhethu. Nakakhuluma nababika indaba ngemva kokuvela kwakhe ekhotho, uLomas uthe uzizwa athabile ngokuba eSouth Africa pha.
It's great to be back.
It's great to be back. How do you feel about? How are you doing? Are you well?
No.
You have a neck brace. Can you tell me what is specific?
ACDF in the front, laminectomy, and foreignotomy.
Ekufikeni kwakhe eSouth Africa apha unikelwe ngokusemthethweni ezandleni zama-Hawks, anikelwa amapholisa elizwelo amazwe ngamazwe ekungiwa amdzwebule engaphetsheya. Umphathi wamaphenyo ku-Organization Undoing Tax Abuse uRudy Heineke uthi banengi abasazowukhomba umzono otshwala ekutshuthisweni okumalungana nokuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso.
I-Eskom neSosol zihlikihle isivumelwano sokuphumelelisa inhuluphelo zokusebenzisana ngehlangothini lezamandla. Inkampani ezimbili lezi ziyokuhlanganyela ukusebenza nokuhubulula ikusasa lehasi nokuthi ngimaphi amahlelo angenziwa ukusabalalisa igezi kwesikhathi eside.
Ungqongqotjhe wegezi uDokotela uHosiyen Ntshuramogopa uthi ukutlikitlwa kwesivumelwano esi kuqakathekile ngombana kutjheja indaba yokubiza kwegezi elizweneli, umnotho welizwe kunye nefuneko yerhasi. uRamogopa uthi ukutjheja indaba yerhasi kuzokuphungulela abantu abarhola kancane phakathi kunye nebarhola khulu. Uthi bazokuqalelela ukusebenzisa insetshenziswa zegezi ezihlukahlukeneko ngonobangela wokubiza khulu kwegezi engarhonwa abantu abaningi.
The fact that these two giants have found it appropriate that in the interest of the country, the sovereign interest, it's advisable that we worked together, and we'll unpack exactly what this means and what we mean by changing the South African energy landscape.
Umphathi we-Eskom uDan Marukane uthi umnqopho wesivumelwano esi kuvumela ilizwe lekhethu ukuthi lifumane insombululo zokuthi kuzokufuneka ini ukusabalalisa igezi isikhathi esidlule eminyakeni elithumi.
The gas focus within the source portfolio is less emitting, and also the issue of us beginning to work together in a manner that we are together with all the other gas users brings about the economies of scale that will ensure a better affordability position.
Nakusenjalo umphathi weSosol uSimon Baloyi uthi igasi izokulima indima enkulu yokuchuguluka embaselini ezenjiwako kuyiwe embaselini ezingasilapha zibhoduluko eSouth Africa pha.
That transition needs to be at the right pace to make sure that we balance our nation's needs for development, energy security, and long-term sustainability, because we don't want to go backwards. As a nation, we need to go forward.
Inkampani ezimbili ezikulu zamandla elizweneli zithi ukusebenza ndawonye kuzokusiza ukukhambiselela msinya indaba yokuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu ngendlela efaneleko ekuqalwe njengemiphumela emihle ngehlangothini lomnotho nebhoduluko lelizwe.
Ungqongqotjhe eofisini kaMengameli uKhumbudzo Chabeni uyiphayile ibatsho ukuthi uhulumende webumbano uzokwenza bona kube budisi ukuthi amalunga wecabinet aziphendulele kuMengameli. uNchabeni utsho lokhu nabe kahlathulela imbiki indaba imphumela yomhlangano wecabinet.
Ungqongqotjhe uNchabeni uthi abe akubathweni nakancane uMengameli nakasebenzisa amandla akhe wokuphatha njengoba na avikelwe umthetho sisekelo. Lokhu kuza ngemva kobana ungqongqotjhe wezifundo sisekelo uSiviwe Gwarho babhalelwe ukuklikitla iBela bill ngeveke epheleleko. Kanti ngemva kobana kukhulunyiswane nembiki indaba uMengameli uthi akakaphatheki kumbi ngalokhu. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo uthi nange uGwarho babhalelwe ukwethula ukusebenza kweBela bill uzokuthatha isiqundo sihabako. uNchabeni uthi uhulumende wanjelo ubunje bongqongqotjhe bombuso ingasi bongqongqotjhe bavela inhlanganweni zepolitiki ezihlukahlukeneko.
We have clarified it in cabinet. There are no DA ministers, there's only Minister of the State. We all are appointed and account to the President of the Republic. But we are not worried about the powers of the President. The powers of the President are enshrined in the Constitution.
uNchabeni ungezelele ngokuthi amathambo abachochozeli bepolitiki abangcwatshwa kwamanye amazwe azokubuyiswa nganeno ukuphela kwenyanga lem kanti imindeni yabo iyilo yokuphetha amasiko okubathatha. Uhulumende weSouth Africa uzokubamba umnyanya wokwamukela amathambo abalweli bekululeko ababhubhela eZimbabwe neZambia.
The repatriation ceremony will take place towards the conclusion of the Heritage Month.
uNchabeni ungezelele ngokuthokozisa iEskom ngokusebenza kuhle njengoba na kujanyisiwe ukuqindeliswa kwegezi. Bewabethela uhulumende izandla ngokuliswana nobulelesi ngehlelo leOperation Chanela. Kanti uthi iCabinet ikwamukela ukudlikihlwa ngokusemthethweni kweBela Bill.
Inthunywa ezivela eminyangweni wezemidlalo amasiko nobukhwari zikhonjwe indlela ezize ngayo nabeseparlamente ngemva ukuthi kuthiwe lokhu abebazokwethula akutsho litho. Umnyango lo ukhonjelwe bona ulethe umbiko omsebenzi wekota yokuthoma yomnyaka wemali ka2024-2025. Amalunga wekomiti womnyango lo bekasilingeke aqede ichukela ngalokhu abakuhlathulula njengombiko omamala. Babhalile ukuthatha imbiko abeze nawo.
Amalungu eParlamente wekomiti ejeje imidlalo amasiko nobukhwari asilingwe imibiko asola bona iyaphikisana. Bakholwa bona ihlathululo enikelwe zinkhulwezi ngembiko ephikisanako angekhe yamukelwa eParlamente.
We are not going to adopt this report as a committee and even to Parliament. This department must go back and rectify this rubbish that has been dished up for us here. So I want the DG to explain. We received a report stating that you have achieved 4 one-day events. That's from April, this year, April.
Amanye amalungu ekomiti nawo bekasilingeke njengosihlalo wekomiti.
I'm with you when you say we cannot adopt these things because this is a fake. It's a total fake. It's totally useless. It's going to waste our time when we let it explain again.
Indeed, the department's presentation has changed significantly after what they sent us.
Sanitized reports, because what we are witnessing here is something very, very scary. It is something very wishy-washy, and it is something that I think is really not doing South Africans justice.
Umnyango lo ubuselemva bona uyokulungisa lokho abasola bona kuyaphikisana.
Nasibuya eDolo.
There was a lady that had done cream sauce with mushrooms and then cooked some prawn in that and then added the can, and that was awesome.
Umroho ohutshiweyo sewutholakala ngeblegeni sowuvuthelwe futhi. Umnikazi uthi ungasidima nesingaboniko ngendlela umnandi ngakhona. Zisekhona indaba lapha zesiNdebele kanti nazi kuphundileko ziyatholakala ku YouTube SABC Plus na ku Facebook asirage nazo. Sarakela phambili isithijilo sokubangisana isikhundla sobukhosi eminyangweni wokubusa ngokuhlanganyela nendaba zendabuko eMpumalanga. Inkosi uThami Mashego noVeli Mashego bakwa Masoyi hlanu kweWhite River sekuphele iminyaka eli12 bangazwani. Emalangeni ambalwa adlulile kuVeli Mashego uye emaofisini womkhandlu ephola namaphepha wekhotho afuna ukususa uThami Mashego esikhundleni sakhe.
Urakela phambili umbango wokulwela isikhundla senkosi yomkhandle esigodlweni sakaMashego. uVeli Mashego uthi batsho amaphepha akhe ayakufakazela ukuthi nguye inkosi efaneleko. Kanti inkosi ehlezi esihlalweni njenganje kuthiwa batsho ngiyakwamnisi ebukhosini bakwaMashego.
We don't know what's happening because we have won the case in 2012. Now he doesn't want to come out from this place. So we want to know why.
I-ofisi yenkosi iveze ukuthi isibawu sakaVeli Mashego sokufuna ukususa inkosi ekhona njenganje siphayelwe ngeqadi yikhothe ephakemeko. Kanti nakusenjalo uVeli Mashego ukhandele ukuthi angene ofisini yenkosi.
They are not allowed to go to the chief's office. About 100 meters, they are not allowed to go there. So I cannot say further. As from now, they went to the Premier's office concerning the chieftaincy of Chief Mashego.
Umkhandlu ojamela abaholi bendabuko iCongress of Traditional Leaders of South Africa ithi makhotho kwaphela ngakhona ukususa inkosi esikhundleni sayo.
We have decided that we are no more going to entertain those people who came to dispute ubukhosi of another inkosi. We are saying if you want ubukhosi, you can go to court.
Ukulandela ukubhalelwa kwemizamo yokususa inkosi ekhona njenganje, uVeli Mashego uthusele ngokuthi uyokulandela ezinye indlela ezikhona zomthetho ukuze amsuse esikhundleni sobukhosi.
Inyanga yamagugu akusinge yokuveza ubuhle bevunulo namasiko ahlukahlukeneko esiko leAfrika kwaphela, kodwa inyanga yokuzikhumbuza ngokudla kwesintu isitshaba sonke esizikhakhazisa ngakho. Umsunguli wekhampani ekuthiwa yiGogo Foods ethengisa umroho ohutshiweko wenze izinto zabalula bona uthi na ukhanuke umroho wembuya ufumane ngobulula sewuhutshiwe.
uRicardo Hood ukhulisa umroho embuya omnandi kagogo wakhe uthe ukukhula wabona ukuthi kunengikhathi zomnyaka la angawuboni khona umroho lo wabona kungcono bona eze nendlela ezitsha zokuthi awudle umnyaka wonke nakawukhanukako. Imbuya ithandwa mihlobo yonke yabantu ngombana inezakhamzimba.
The initial seed only came about once I met a farmer in the Free State who had been planting the product on a commercial scale, selling to the mines. And when I saw that, I thought, if you could plant it commercially, there could be a possibility that you could preserve it and make it available to the market.
Ngemva kokusebenzisana nekhampani iFood Lovers Market, ukwehla kweCovid-19 kwayikhinyabeza kumbi ibhizinisi yakhe. Kuthe ukuphungula kokuqindeliswa kwamakhambo, wabuya wazokuhlola bona abantu basawuhloga na umroho lo. Napheze kokuthi izinto zibangcono ngokuthuthuka kweteknoloji, uHood uthi kubudisi ukuthengisa.
Most South Africans do know the product, but it's the first time that it's been canned in the world. So making people aware of that, making the consumer aware of that was a bit of a challenge.
uHood uthi ukuchukuluka kwezinto emkhakheni wezokudla njengokudla okufakwa ngemabhlegeni kufuna abantu abazokusebenza budisi bakhona ukutshela abantu ngobumnandi nembonelelo zomroho wakhe.
When you cook down the product and compared to one can, because my can is cooked, it's ready to eat, the volume of product in the can is actually more than the cooked product.
Napheze kokuthi umroho wakho ngebhlegeni, uHood uthi zinenge indlela zokudla imbuya nokuyifaka kokhulu ukudla. Kanti nawufunako uyakhona bona uphekelele nomratha kwaphela. Lapho uzokuzwa ubumnandi bawo.
I typically on a bride day I would make Pop-Tart. So as you usually make your Pop-Tart, the way you make it, I'm just adding a can of the traditional moroho. It just tends to go better.
Kanti ekhasini lethu leFacebook siba ukuzwa bona ngikuphi ukudla kwesikhenu okuthandako njengoba nasithokozela inyanga yamagugu nje. Akhe sizwe ukuthi uphendule wathini mbukeli.
Bathi imbuya awumroholo engiyathanda mina ndizithandela umngqusho nenyama yenhloko.
Umbhushu uyabona uma uzopheka ubhontshisi wakho upheka ngathi upheka ukharami sithi bu impuphu abe sithi bu amafutha ukuze uzothamba kahle.
Isitshingise ibhece nje ufaka nje usika nje amabhece lawa semasimini usika waqoba uwafaka emanzini. Emanzini ibhodweni lapha mazofaka ushukela hawu ngeke usinike singaboni.
Kusikhule ngakho ngoba singaka iphuthu baba lapho ubilisa amanzi kwenze iphuthu hayi ziyaduma lapha.
Mina ngithanda imbuya uyipheka ngaphandle lapha ya.
Mina imvo lengithanda kakhulu ngithanda imbabi.
Ukudla engikuthandayo engikuthanda kakhulu bekuyisijingi.
Ngithanda lenyama enkukhu lena eqinile hardwood.
Umphokoqo wanamasi.
Umphokoqo ubilisa amanzi ugalela i-maize meal akubila uqala ugalela ityiwa ugalela i-maize meal.
Ngithanda okukudla kuthiwa zinkobe nesophu.
Kanumbono ngeyombukeli yeSABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Akhe sizwe abazuma ukuthi bakhonile ukuzuma emakhazeni angakala. Akwande Sibu, nibuye niphetheni ekuzumeni namhlanje.
Siyathokoza Cedric silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya. Inyanga kaKhukhulamongo kuyinyanga yamagugu iyela ngekupheleni. Khumbula ke ukuthi emvekeni leze ezidlulileko ke sakhuluma indaba yokuthi umtjhado kuze ube semthethweni ngiziphi ingaba ezilandelwako. Namhlanje sitsheja ukuthi ingakhani mhlambe umtjhado wesintu uyafika ekupheleni na. Nangabe uyafika, ufika ngaziphi inzathu. Nangabe awufiki ngaziphi inzathu. Zikhona ke izazi sokhulumisana nazo entambama namhlanje nomlaleli ke uyolithola ithuba lokuthi abe ingcenye yehlelo lethu. Ngiyo ke indaba esiyiphetheko namhlanje khona lapha kuKwekwezi FM. Sithokoza ithuba.
Sithokoze Sibu. Zanamhlanje indaba ziphelela lapha. Zikhona kude ngomvulo. Akube iphela veke enokuthula.